Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Tesco shopping app. Tesco is UK largest supermarket chain, and the official app lets you do everything from grocery delivery to managing your club card, all from your phone. The app is not just for delivery. The app is actually two tools in one. You can shop for grocery online. You can also use it to scan your club card in store to collect points and unlock discounts. A huge selection. You can shop from up to 50,000 grocery products, everything from fresh food to household essential. There is also a new marketplace section where you can buy over 300,000 non-food items like appliances, crafts, and home decor from trusted third-party sellers. Clubcard is built in. This is the key feature. This is the Clubcard. The app stores your digital Clubcard so you can scan it at checkout to get exclusive Clubcard prices, discounted items, collect points, turn those points into voucher, or use them with reward partners like getting 2 times value for day out or Disney. Delivery option, you have choices: standard home delivery, click and collect, pick up from store, or even wash. Their 60 minutes delivery service for when you need something fast. Flexible ordering, forget to add something, no problem. You can change your grocery order right up to 11:45 p.m. the night before your delivery slot. And also freshness guarantee. Tesco promises to take care when picking your fresh grocery. If you are not happy, they have a policy to sort it out. You can use the app to check out if a specific item is in store at your local store before you leave your home, or create a shopping list that shows live availability. Go to Play Store and select search, then type Tesco. Select Tesco. We'll show you Tesco grocery and club card. 100 million plus downloads, 4.5 star, 178k reviews. Select install. So the app is getting ready. I highly recommend going to the setting and turn on fingerprint or face recognition for faster login, or enable push notification. Tesco send you reminder about your delivery slot and alert you when it is time to make changes to your order. So the app is installing. The app is installed. Select open. Tesco. It will ask you, how would you like to shop, online or in store? Select online, for example. This is the notification. Allow Tesco to send notification, but it's not compulsory. But if you want to place an order, ideally allow notification so that they can send information to you or when your order is due. So I'm going to reject it. Privacy, reject all. It's not compulsory. Triple club card points with wash. Collect triple the points and get groceries delivered from as little as 20 minutes. Times and condition apply. Sign in, register, shop categories. If you scroll down or show all, will show you all the categories: clothing and accessories, marketplace, fresh food, bakery, frozen food, treats and snacks, food cupboard, drinks, baby and toddler, healthy and beauty, pets, household, home and furniture, electronics and gaming, toys and games, parties and accessories, sports and leisure, hobbies and accessories, garden and DIY care, kiosks and events. Let's say if you want fresh food, select fresh food. Then it will show you fresh foods available, fresh fruits, fresh vegetable, fresh salad, juice and smoothies. So select juice, for example. Then it will show you juice, fresh juice, long life juice. Select this, for example. Show you the prices. You can select add. This one is Tropicana, for example. Select add. So when you select add, you need to sign in with your account to sign in. So once you sign in to Tesco, it will show you home, favorite, search, club card, and basket. So go back to the home can search for any particular item you want. We show you online or in store. You can scroll down and select any particular item you want. Like I said, if you want fresh food, select fresh food. For example, select fresh fruit, select banana. You can see the discount with the Clubcard. The actual price £1.50 with the Clubcard. Then you get it £1.09. Offer savings 13 points on Clubcard. Estimated total cost. So you can go to the basket and remove the item. Select. So once you select 0, the item will be removed. So let's say add this item. The item is added. To remove it, just select minus. So the item will go off from the basket. So this information I thought to share with you. You can go back to the home page. Thank you very much indeed.